Hello everyone, it's Sally here. Welcome to another episode of Takstar audio lessons. Today, we will be showing the frequency syncing step for our DG-U100 wireless conference system. Now, without further ado, the DG-U100 is a multifunction conference system that allows you to customize the discussion unit priority to adapt to different meeting requirements. Syncing steps. The steps for frequency syncing are as follows. First, set the priority. For chairman or guest units, their IDs are auto-generated, while for delegate units, you need to manually set their IDs. Next, rotate the draw wheel to move the cursor to sync, and press the draw wheel to start syncing. Face the panel or the discussion unit towards the ID window or the receiver to complete syncing. The discussion unit will show the sync priority and ID. To sync with multiple discussion units, you should power on the already synced discussion unit before pairing the next. Once all discussion units are synced, reboot the receiver to start operation. Case: all delegate units can be synced on one channel or distributed across ABCD channels. Enable/disable camera tracking before syncing a discussion unit, because the number of channels used is related to the number of cameras enabled. Delegate units are controlled by first-in, first-out mode, and thus will utilize available channels other than those set as chairman or guest. For channels set as chairman or guest, its ID will be auto-generated, and the whole channel will be occupied. By default, the IDs generated by system for ABCD channels are 11 to 14 for chairman and 1 to 4 for guest. The register checkbox determines whether the unit ID is enabled. You cannot perform syncing without checking this box. For delegate units, ID 21 to 100, you need to manually set the ID and check it. While for chairman, ID 11 to 14, and guest, ID 1 to 4, is checked by default. That's it for today. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe. If you want to learn more about the product, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.